give everybody tuning in a little bit of a more of an idea of who and what Guesty is and how you work and who you best serve, if you could just do that for me.
Sure. So Guesty is a property management platform. So we're an end-to-end solution for property management companies who are really looking to scale their business, but also automate, pretty much their entire operation so that they can focus on that growth in whatever way that means for them. So, Guesty is really catered for property management companies with above 5 listings. Again, it's a powerful tool. It's a powerful software. It's your business tool. So for those professional property management companies, and again, who are looking to have that growth, but also have powerful features behind them.
I was going to say, so it's a PMS, it's a channel manager, you've got the automations. Right. If there would be, say, a guest house owner watching right now, do you typically work with guest houses? They've got, say, 5 to 10 bedrooms, or are you geared more at the rental owners here?
So we do definitely cater to guest houses. I would say the best fit for Guesty would be property management companies who are managing whole units, individual units, or entire buildings. Again, we have really great features for that. But of course, with our multi-unit feature, we also support rooms in that. However, you do need to have a minimum of 5 properties to be with Guesty. But of course, we are speaking to everybody when it comes to and doing demos. So, at the end of the day, it's really if it's a right fit for you, we'll, and if it's a right fit for us.
So just go onto the Guesty website and we'll provide all the links at the end, and you can go and request a demo and have a chat and see if it's a good fit. For example, I speak to a lot of people and I do coaching calls and things, and they're saying, I'm looking for a new PMS. They're using X and they're looking for a new one. Again, they're looking to scale, like you're talking about. Right. They do rent to rent, or they do buy to rent. There's loads of things, and they're always saying, who do I chat to? And there's a ton of PMS providers. There are so many of them. You can just go to bookdir.co.uk/PMS, and there's a review on every single one based on real life experiences from hospitality community members. But what I love about Guesty, and this is a question that when somebody asks me, who should I use as a PMS? I always take them down set round of questions. So it's, how many properties do you have? And it comes to one. The main question is, do you do all of the customer service yourself, as in answering questions from guests, etc., or do you have a team that does? And if they always say to me, I'm doing it myself, then I always say, have a look at Guesty, because there's one thing that you do, which is the guest communications package. Right. Now, could you please, because this is unique, as far as I'm aware, I don't know of anybody else that offers it, but could you just please delve into what that is and how that works and how it could benefit a property manager or anybody that's watching?
Yeah, absolutely. So our 24/7 guest communication service was actually how Guesty started. And with this service, we developed our software. So what this service is it's a 24/7 guest communication service where we have a team of well-trained guest service experts who are there to answer your guests from the moment that you receive that first inquiry to the moment that the guest is checking out. So we're your communication team 24/7 to your guests, and freeing this up, this part of your business up, again, really gives you guys time to focus on listing acquisition, marketing strategies, right? Things that, that Mark talks about here, and it's covered by a team of experts with Guesty. So it is an upsell when you're using Guesty software. It can't be instead of the software. It goes hand in hand. But again, having that 24/7 coverage is definitely so key to your occupancy rate, because you have quicker conversions for reservation.